Hello and welcome to Storage University. My name is Steve Mitnick, and today we're going to start to do some work on some specialty custom boxes. So the two main things to realize when packing an item is to, one, make sure that there's no contact, two, make sure there's no motion. Here are some of the materials we're going to use. First of all, things to wrap around the item to protect it. Bubble wrap is a great tool. It's something that you can use. It's very, very protective and it works very well. What I like to use is actually newsprint. This is a box of 10 pounds of newsprint, what's nice about white newsprint is that it doesn't put any ink stains on any of your things that you're packing. Now, if you don't have white newsprint, it's okay. You can use regular newspaper. Sometimes one of the tricks is to go ahead and just use a little bit of white newsprint around the item, and then you can pack the rest of the box with regular newspapers. So today's item, we happen to have a CPU for computer. A little bit of an odd shaped item. You can see that it is approximately 6 inches wide. We have about 16 inches long, and then it's probably about another 16 inches high. Let's try a medium box. Now, a medium box we know is 16 by 16 by 18, but let's just double check the size. So you can see that this should work pretty well, but I have all this extra space here. So what we want to do is we want to pad everything around the CPU so to make sure it doesn't get damaged. We're going to adjust the size of the box to fit the CPU. Place it like that. What I always like to do is to take crumble paper. This works as a shock absorber. What we want to do is just kind of crumble some paper and throw it into the bottom of the box. And we can have a nice bed to put the computer in. And you can see it's nice and soft. We do have some gaps on the side here and on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that with paper. I'm going to stuff them in there, stuff them on the sides, and you sort of have a well-protected computer. Now sometimes what some people will do, well, they go ahead and they'll take paper and they'll crumble and fill the box. That's okay, that works well. Others will go ahead and fill it with peanuts. But there's a better way. And the better way is to customize this box and make it fit the computer perfectly. Fold the flaps down. But in order to get a real clean cut, what I want to do is I want to score the edge of this. I have to score it straight across. That way, when I'm ready to bend it, I simply bend down. So you can see this is turning out to be a nice square box. I like to leave the extra cardboard on there because it's extra protection. And now we have a virtually perfect CPU box. Nothing moves, you can spin it, it's solid, eliminate contact, and this is safe and ready to ship. And there you have it, the first custom box video designed to help you with an odd shaped item to make it safe and ready for storage, transportation, and moving. So thanks again for joining us at Storage University. We look forward to showing you a lot of other tricks of the trade in some of our other videos. And once again, thank you for choosing STORExpress.